Why does your scanner show the P3100 engine code? What does it mean? P3100 is a diagnostic trouble code for the exhaust gas recirculation sensor B circuit high. This error code indicates that the issue is in the Vanos system and is often associated with a boost target issue or the vehicle entering limp mode. This can lead to reduced engine power. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Boost leaks. Manufacturer-controlled DTC. Limp mode. Vanos system problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota Prius and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.